Hi! Welcome back to my channel for those who have already subscribed, and for those who are new here, if you'll consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and also please like this video. You can share this as well for those who are interested in knowing more about vegan lifestyle, cooking, eating, and everything else about veganism. In today's video, I'm going to show you my pantry. So we're doing some sort of a pantry tour. I will show you the ingredients that I use with my cooking and at least give you some tips on where and how you can use them in your simple daily cooking. Let me just have some breakfast. And for today's breakfast, we have siopaw. This is not another mukbang video. I'll be showing this quickly with you. I'll finish it off as quickly as I could and we'll get on with the pantry tour. This is what it looks like and it smells good, just like the usual siopaw that we were used to, which is not vegan. I have here a regular spaghetti, but if you want brown pasta or the other types such as the macaroni ones, the spiral ones, Pinay pasta, then you can have those by all means. When I cook pasta, I love to put herbs, just every herb that I have. This is thyme. Smells good. I also have basil. You can buy fresh basil, but I don't have any. A friend of mine, actually my sister's best friend, gave me a pot or pots of basil, but unfortunately they died, so I am opting for dried ones now. And since my sister sent me these, then I'm using whatever I have available. These are from US. If you check sellers online, they can be really expensive, but you can always go for local. The local herbs and spices that I've seen cost from 50 pesos to 100 pesos, and they're good as well. I have tried a specific brand which is in the market at 56 pesos, I think, the smoked paprika, and that is what I don't have right now, but I love to use as well when I cook my pasta, especially if it's red sauce and other dishes which has tomato sauce, tomato paste, and the like. It just adds flavor. Now that's my basil. There's oregano as well. They're so good. Okay, and this is garlic salt. The garlic salt has parsley. So if you are, for example, cooking aglio olio, you only need olive oil, loads of garlic, and this will do. If you want to add chili flakes, that will work wonders as well. This is another favorite, granulated garlic. Granulated garlic, I think I put this in almost everything. Even if I already have fresh garlic, I still add the granulated garlic. It just adds flavor, because for any food, I'd say it's all about the spices, the flavorings, regardless of whether you're cooking vegan or non-vegan food. It's all about the flavors. Another one of my favorites, this is the vegan Chickenless seasoning salt. It has salt, onion powder, turmeric, and garlic powder. I use this to season mushrooms, whether I'm frying them or just roasting them. it tastes really good after adding this seasoning. But you can make yours. You don't have to buy one, so long as you have the salt, the onion powder, turmeric powder, and garlic powder. This is another interesting one. It's lemon pepper seasoning. It has that lemon taste. So again, I use this for oyster mushrooms and also for tofu. After that, you can add breading to the tofu, breadcrumbs, and the texture and the taste is really good if you're craving, for example, for some sort of a lemon chicken taste. You can have something like this. I use this when I make chickpea omelette, and also I add this to crumbled tofu for that eggy taste and smell, although I'm not a fan of the smell of egg really. But if you would like something like that, then this is great, as this will work well. It has sulfur and it's low sodium, it says on the label. Yes, it's great for tofu scramble. So you don't have to have scrambled egg anymore. Get some tofu, put some of this black salt and some pepper, and you're good to go. What else do I have here? Right on this side you can see flour. In general, thickening agents to thicken your soup. You can use flour. If you are going for gluten-free, then gluten-free flour will do. However, I'm not quite sure if it will really thicken your soup, so you might as well consider cornstarch. Cornstarch, on the other hand, is not low carb. Use the arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is also used for baking, just like flour and cornstarch. Now, I have here a really amazing ingredient. A key ingredient if you want to have that smoky flavor. Smoky flavor if you are making some sort of a barbecue style tofu. For example, I've tried this Spam tofu and I use this along with soy sauce, some agave or maple syrup, and other key ingredients. It's all up to you how you want your food to taste like. Just add this up for that smoky flavor. It's called liquid smoke, and this is the hickory original recipe. This is the mesquite. I've not heard of that word. I'm not quite sure how it would taste like and how it is different from the other one, but this is good. If you check online stores, I'm sure there are people selling this online, not the specific brand. I hope there's a local seller or a local brand of this one, which is definitely better because it's going to be cheaper. And another pantry staple, I would say, is sugar. Any type of sugar according to your preference, because sugar would help in making your sauces. If you're using soy sauce, you can add sugar to it, or maybe maple syrup, agave syrup, date syrup, any natural sweetener if you like, or just plain or simple table sugar. I have here one of, I'd say, a controversial ingredient, but I'm not going to talk about why it is controversial and how it is controversial. But this is one of the key ingredients that I use, especially when I want to make something cheesy, a sauce maybe, or just top it on pasta for that cheesy and nutty taste. This is nutritional yeast. People have asked me about this. Nutritional yeast is for B12. It is an inactive nutritional yeast which is dried and contains vitamin B3, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, vitamin B1, and like I have mentioned earlier, vitamin B12. If you watched the launch of my We've Only Just Vegan program, I have mentioned something about B12 and where it came from or where it comes from. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put the link in the description box so you can have a look at the B12 and also check out my program. So this is, it's almost finished, but this is available online again. Yes, I can buy another pack later, but this one specifically, this brand, Trader Joe's, is actually from my sister. She likes to buy stuff and send them to us through a balikbayan box. And yes, that's it. Chia seeds are omega-3 fatty acids. These are helpful fats. We are not talking about oil, we're talking about fats. Healthful because yes, it contains omega-3. It says here that this particular package here, this particular brand here, contains 6.4 grams of omega-3 per serving and 5 grams of protein. So if you're asking about protein, where do vegans get their protein apart from tofu and from beans? Chia seeds is another source. We can make our vegetable stock, but I have here a non-beef bouillon cube, and I also have the chicken one. Yes, but again, these are not these are not local brands, so you might want to check out local brands, and I am sure they are available. You can make your own vegetable stock. As I have said, you can just put together after peeling your carrots, your potatoes, you have some onions, celery, you can just put them together, boil them, add seasoning, the basic ones, salt and pepper, because for Filipino pantry, that's mostly what we have. And it's all good. I mean, I use salt and pepper if I ask someone to cook for me, if I'm outside and I'm dining out with friends and family, I just ask them to omit every other flavoring and just use or put salt and pepper, and it's all good. I think that's about it for my pantry tour. If there's anything that you would like to ask, or simply maybe any suggestion as to what content or what specific content you'd like to see with regards to being vegan, sustaining a vegan lifestyle, and the like, feel free to write a comment. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it as well. Until next time, take care.